pieces that I've been waiting for and kind of dreaming about for the last couple of months have been these two beautiful pieces from Artlita. The first one being by Ginger Lou. This is called Vintage Blonde. And I don't know, it just spoke to me. A little bit of mid-century modern, something very classic and Grace Kelly-like. It's just the perfect little addition to my little vignette here. Kind of speaks to my whole California eclectic mid-century modern vibe here. And then my last piece is by Brenda Salmon. It's called Eudaimonia. And that's gonna go right above my little workspace. Profile, it's unbelievable. It is so beautiful. It's stunning. It looks so good. It's just all the little elements have finally come together with the gold and the black, and waking up in the morning and seeing this. I love it. It's so fancy.
It is. I agree completely. I love it too. It is the absolute perfect piece for you, Heather.
I just, like I said, it's the walking in from this way. It's just, it's museum quality.
It is.
I can't wait to see it in the sunlight. I get a lot of really natural light coming through here. Really bright natural light. And it's crazy that the paper is so reflective that it looks like it's gold fleck.
Well, it was originally gold leafing, and so the print actually looks like it's still gold leafing.
Yes.
It's really, really cool.
The details in the veins. I love it. Oh my God, it's stunning.
Oh, it's so good.
It's better than what I thought it was going to be.
Oh, I'm so happy you feel that way.
Wholeheartedly. I mean, you know, obviously, looking at everything in here, I love black and I love the simplicity of just simple colors, but the magenta and the fuchsia and the shading of the grays and the blacks, it's just, it invokes something that I'm not sure yet, but I'm probably gonna have a couple of different emotions to this, tied to this piece.